Okay, today's print for the kids had to be done. Today I'm just going to quickly take you through how to change one of the filaments. Now there's two types of filaments that you can buy. This one that comes on a cardboard ring like so. So it's like that with that protective things. Whatever you do, don't take these off before you've put it on the spool. So the other way of buying them is like this, and they come already on the white spool things there that you can then just chuck straight into the AMS or onto the side here. But if you have one of the cardboard ones, you either have to reuse one of these if they run out, or buy one, or even better, print one. So this is one that I've printed. Pretty cool. So we just need to undo it. You need to find the little groove bit there, and then align that with the slot on the cardboard as well. Then, very important, stick this bit on and make sure that it clicks in to position there and it's nice and tight. And then we can remove these. So whatever you do is don't remove these before you've done that first part, because it all comes apart. Okay, and then we need to open the AMS up. Just push forwards on there so you can pull that out. And then make sure you use this retaining holes there so you don't lose the end or it comes off. And then all I've done at the moment is to store these. I'm just using one of these Ziploc bags. Stick the desiccant in there that came with the new one, and then stick that in there. And then the new one, just stick there, make sure it sits on the guides correctly. Push the little button forwards and guide it in, and then it will grab hold of it. And then it does its stuff and it's ready to go. So let's print another one of those for child number 2. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any advice, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.